Hello everyone, welcome to video 5 for our resources. I'm going to teach you how to wrap text around a unique shape. So far all we've done is extrude, either cut or raise, but we've never always done it on flat surfaces, never a round surface. So make sure you're in your resources folder, and this is going to be our 5th one. This one's going to be tricky. So we're actually going to do a couple, so create sketch, and choose the front face. So you're going to choose center diameter, click the middle, and we are going to make this 2.15 inches. And then we're going to make another circle, and we're going to make this 2.30 inches. And finish the sketch. Now when you extrude, you'll have to zoom in, but I only want this ring, and we're going to extrude it 0.5 inches. Now the next thing I'm going to do is make it look nice. So right now I don't really like this flat edge, so I'm going to choose fillet and zoom in a little bit. I'm going to get this side, and then I'm going to orbit around and zoom in on the back. So now you can see both of these are blue. So I could drag this arrow. You see this arrow here? I can drag it, but it's really hard to drag it. So what I'm going to do is just type in a number, 0.05 0.025 inches. Press OK, and all I've done now is rounded this a little bit, so it's got that nice look to it. Alright, now I want to put text on this. So I'm going to show you what a lot of the trouble is. People will try to hit create sketch, and then if you try to click on this, it won't allow you to actually create the sketch on there. Undo. Alright, so the way to do this is you have to hit construct, and you have to choose tangent plane. Tangent means to touch, and we're going to touch the top of this. And you can see it's creating a plane right at the top, and press OK. Now when we hit create sketch, I'm going to choose this top part. So what we're going to do is put some text on here and draw a text box, in here. That's generally pretty good. And you could type in your name, or you could type in like NBHS or something like that. I think that 0.394 is a good thickness. Now obviously I'm on 2 lines. I'll show you how to fix that. But let's choose a line center and press OK. Now one of the things I want to do is make sure this stays horizontal or vertical. So I'm going to choose that constraint and click on the top. Then right click and press OK. Now if I go to this text, you can see there's a green dot here. I'm just going to click and drag that. And if it goes off the page, it's okay. It goes off, it doesn't really matter. We don't want to write too much, but we do need it to be centered between these. And then I can press finish sketch. Choose the house. Alright, ways we've done this in the past that will not work. If I choose extrude and click on my feature and raise it, sure, we could see the letters, but they're not on the shape. Or if I go down, same thing, I'm cutting holes in here, not on the shape, because that's not how you do it. So press cancel. We're going to go to create, and you're going to look for emboss. So first, what's the sketch profile? The sketch profile is your text. So click on your text. Then what's the face? The face is going to be your bracelet. And you can see here that it's wrapping around. So you can mess with this depth. We can make it 0.1 or 0.05. Depending on if you want it to be raised a little bit or a lot of bit. You also could switch it to be debossed. So deboss means that it cuts it in. So I'll let you choose. Do you want it to be embossed, raised up, or debossed cut out? I like it embossed in this case. I'm going to press OK. And we haven't done this in a while. I'm going to change the appearance. Scroll to paint. And I'm going to make mine red. And you just made an embossed or debossed bracelet. Alright, get a good view so I could see your word, your bracelet, everything. Make sure you save this. Emboss and deboss. Text. And then take a screenshot, Windows Shift S, and paste this in your homework.